Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
I now bring you some reports from the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, beginning from Akwa Ibom State at the University of Uyo, where the intervention agency started the construction of a 1,050-bed capacity ultra-modern hostel facility in 2004. About 17 years after, in 2021, the commission completed the project and handed it over to the university management for use by the students. Over 2 years after the handing over, our crew visited the institution to ascertain the state of the edifice and gather the experiences of students within its walls. Our correspondent reports on what we found and the take of the students.
In 2021, the Niger Delta Development Commission completed the University of Uyo Hostel project that was awarded in 2004 but was abandoned due to lack of funds and inability to pay contractors. The NDDC 1,050-bed space ultra-modern hostel complex at the University of Uyo is divided into 2 equal compartments for male and female undergraduate students. It is fitted with state-of-the-art facilities, solar-powered streetlights, lawn tennis court, and good internal road network, as well as standby generating power set. Dr. Efyong Akwa led interim administration of the intervention agency under the supervision of the former Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Godswill Akpabio, who carried out the project under the directive of former President Muhammadu Buhari to deliver quick impact projects and complete abandoned ones across the Niger Delta region.
After the forensic audit, we were shocked with over 13,000 projects, almost 14,000, abandoned across the whole Niger Delta. Such abandonment cannot lead to sustainable development. And the President ordered that those projects that have high impact on the lives of the people should be commissioned.
The renewed commitment to the intervention projects stems from the overbearing need to improve the quality of existing infrastructure within the oil-rich region that has for years been grappling with the challenges of lack of critical social amenities such as school facilities, road network, and health facilities, among many others too numerous to mention. 2 years down the line, excited female occupants of the NDDC hostel who spoke to Inside the Niger Delta say what they now enjoy cannot be compared to the regular hostel accommodation in the university.
I feel happy. I feel excited being in NDDC hostel. People at the other old hostel, maybe when they come inside here, they'll be like, these are rich men children that stay here.
Looking at the way the environment is compared to the other one, it's worth it because everything is okay.
The narrative is not different with their male counterparts who are the first set to occupy the hostel space.
Everything is okay. The hostel is fine. Everything is nice. It's in very good condition. The bathrooms, it's like a hotel.
We didn't have something like this in permanent site before, so having it for the first time is really nice. I like everything inside, you know.
Though the facility is set to be largely comfortable and in good shape, the students, however, raised some issues that, when attended to, will make their stay in the facility a complete delight.
For security reasons, the lights do help, but some of them are not good.
Suffice to say that the NDDC's drive to complete about 13,000 abandoned projects that litters every nook and cranny of the Niger Delta is a worthy cause that will provide succor to the masses in largely underdeveloped communities in the Niger Delta. And in Rivers State, residents of Emoha and Obakiri communities, both in Emoha local government area, have commended the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) for the installation of solar-powered streetlights and road rehabilitation work in their respective communities. Speaking separately with Inside the Niger Delta recently, members of Obakiri community and Emoha say the intervention of the NDDC has given their community the much-awaited facelift.
NDDC, they've been trying. This is Rumobasi Road, linking a T-junction, heading from that primary school to burial ground to Rumoya. That's a Nddc project.
We will say we are no more like rural dwellers. We have tarred roads, and when it rains, it's no more flooded as it used to be.
As a result of the advent of the street lights, we discovered that we've had another extra 12 hours of the day. We do business in the day, and we also do business in the night, as a matter of fact. So we're nocturnal now. I would want to stay in my community than staying in Port Harcourt, because the atmosphere at night is wonderful. It's really wonderful.
Residents of Obakiri community, however, called on the interventionist agency to construct a bridge that will connect Nkorma waterside in Odoha, Obakiri, with the neighboring Uwofe community in Obiakpo local government area to facilitate economic activities within the area.
If you can watch inside the camera, you can see Uwofe across. Somewhere there is Uwofe. We need them, entities, to help us, the community from Uwofe to Obakiri here, and to do bridge for us, so that the road will be helped from here to Buguma, from here to Bayasa. Emohwa, it can shortcut, it can cut from Choba, it can jam hold up. Here is the very shortcut to Maitere.
We want NDDC, may they come help us do bridge to Uwofe, because this place is a business center. From Nkoroma to Uwofe, we need bridge there. When we don't get bridge now, our business center they move. We not go they find it difficult now to they enter boats, they come out again. When we don't get bridge from here to Uwofe, from Nkoroma to Uwofe, it's easy. We don't reach immediately to Maitere. So now too they find me, and this is going to help us do bridge for us.
Also, residents of Emoha who now enjoy good roads in Rumuche Ring Road and other parts of the community appealed to the Commission to complete the abandoned AKUGHA Hospital Road to ease the stress of commuting along the axis.
This road connects Rumuche community. It joined this road from the community to the Emoha General Hospital. Like other roads, they finished it. It was awarded by Nddc. And it will go slow, number one. And it will help us for fraud. It will help us for fraud because we have a very big stream here. If they finish the road, anything water will move straight to the stream.
We've suffered a lot. Even to carry cassava, people with their bicycle, to carry cassava with their bicycle to their various destinations, very difficult. We diverted from here to other streets, to our homes, because of the gutter. No, as it is rainy season now, we can't get free access to our places. President, we have students, of this external USC. Now, many of them are living here. We pity them. They can't walk on the rain to their schools.
Residents of Emoha and Obakiri communities are optimistic that if their demands are met, it will go on to boost economic, agricultural and educational activities in and within their communities. Moving forward, the Nddc has also hinted that the Commission is interested in projects that will connect states and communities together so as to foster socio-economic growth for the region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,